Hello, so we're going to look at how to properly set up a product here. So we're here on the basketball jerseys page and we're going to go to the basketball jersey product page. So we're going to look at how to set up the links for this form button, use my mockup. I think they're all using the same link, and then the description and the fabric types, as well as the images in the gallery. So let's go to the dashboard for this product up there and edit product, and we're going to take a look at where this information is coming from. So we can see here, this is just the description for the product, and you can see eSport jersey, stealth, double neck. This is the item that appears down here in the product description. Okay, so that's the description, and the title can just be styled and made bold here, or however the desired appearance is. The rest of the items for the product are going to be down here in attributes. Okay, so this is attributes for the product. We're going to click there, and then here we see the 4 custom attributes that we can add to the product to make it to add the different links and images that we want. So let's start from the beginning here, and we'll look at this form link attribute. So the thing with each of these attributes, we're going to go and create another product to see how this works, but we're going to use the same exact name and for some of them structure of how we input the links and titles. So first of all, we'll go we'll take a look at this here. So form link, this is simple. It's just the link that we paste in here is going to take us to whatever site we paste in there. So if we go, that would be this one, I believe. So see, it takes us right to Google. Now let's go ahead and we're going to set this up on a new product. So I'm going to drag this add new product here into a new tab. Okay, and we'll call this basketball jersey 2. Okay, and we're going to put this in the basketball jerseys category. We'll add a title. Let's make it bold. Title, description. Let's put some bullets here instead. Bullet 1 and bullet 2. Okay, and then we'll go down to attribute. Actually, we'll add an image for the product. Okay, and let's publish it just to see what we have going on here. All right, so let's go back to this basketball jerseys page. Here we have the price isn't showing because we didn't set one yet, but that is not important right now. So here we have the new one. We'll click on that, and we're going to go in here, and we see we have the title we set up, the bullets, and then if we set up our go to form here, we'll do like we were talking about earlier. So we're going to add a custom product attribute. Okay, and this drop down, there's only one option. So we'll click add, and then we can look at the first one for reference here. Edit product. So we're going to name it form link. I'll just copy it from there actually. We're going to uncheck visible on the product page, and then we'll just add we'll add a link there to YouTube. Okay, so now when we go and refresh our basketball jersey page, you might have to press Control or Command Shift R to hard refresh the page. We'll go and we'll click here, and it should take us to YouTube, and look, it does. It takes us to YouTube. So whatever link you paste in there is going to take you to the to that page. Okay, and now for the next one, we got size specs button link. So this is just the other link that is going to be placed for this size specs button here. Works in the same way. So again, I'll just go and I'll copy this. I'll add size specs button link, uncheck visible, and then just arbitrary link there. I'll go back there and refresh the page, and then now this should take us to Google, and there we go. Okay, and then the next one is going to be gallery images URL. So this is the first one with a little little structure here in the value. So let's first copy that and we'll put it in here. Add. So what we want to do here is we're just adding the URLs to different images that we're going to use on this for this product. Let's go and look at it here. Basketball jersey 2. I'll go back to the first one as well. I want to open that in a new tab. So these gallery images here are the ones that are going to show up when we paste in the image URL here, and we can upload the image to the media tab here in the WordPress dashboard. And if we go look at media, at one of our images, we can click on it and we can get the URL here. We can just click copy to clipboard, and it should copy that URL. So when we go back to the product that we want to add the URL to, when we're putting in multiple images, we're going to separate them with a greater than symbol because this symbol does not appear in URLs. And so the code is not going to mistake it for part of the URL. So we'll go in here, we'll paste in the value, and then let's just put in that 1 and see how it works. Refresh here. And then we see it appears there as a gallery image. So maybe I'll go grab a different one just so we can get a good example here. I'll copy this one now. I'll go back. Remember, use a greater than symbol to separate the URLs. Paste in the other image. And then when we go back here, we should see 2 different images appear. And there you go. And that's all we have to do to get the gallery filled up. Now for the last attribute, let's go back here to fabric types. So for this attribute, it's going to show us the pop-up in the fabric types pop-up window. We have different images accompanied by different titles. So to change the image and the title, we add these, or to add the image and the title, we add these to the attribute in the product here. And again, we're going to call it fabric types, just like that. We'll copy it from the example so we don't get it wrong. Paste it in, uncheck visible. And then for this one, let's go look at the formatting here. So first we have the title. Fabric type A is the title, example title here. And then we have this vertical bar symbol. And the vertical bar is going to separate the title from the image link here. So let's go back here and set our title and image link. So first we'll have a fabric type 1, set our bar, and then we're going to add another image. Let's just grab the same one from our library, paste it in, and then now when we're adding another fabric type, we're going to again separate with the greater than symbol, and then use the same format, fabric type 2. And we'll grab another image here, copy, paste the image, and it should be as easy as that. We'll go back to the product, refresh, Control R, Control Shift R, and then we'll click here and we'll see that they appeared. See, we got fabric type 1, fabric type 2. So that is how you add the links and images for a product on the product page. Thank you.